Indian transforming your visitor management into a seamless, secure experience. VizCheck is here to revolutionize how you handle visitors, enhancing control and streamlining their journey from start to finish. With VizCheck, every visitor interaction becomes effortless. Our system ensures a smooth, efficient process, providing your team with enhanced control and your guests with a seamless experience. Pre-register visitors effortlessly via email or SMS, ensuring hassle-free entry. VizCheck supports walk-in visitors with OTP-based or QR code check-ins, saving time and ensuring a smooth flow. Our system is designed to accommodate every visitor type, ensuring a seamless check-in process. Experience the ease of pre-registration and on-the-spot check-ins with VizCheck. Receive instant alerts for visitor arrivals, keeping you informed at all times. Approve or reject entries directly from the mobile app, ensuring secure and controlled access. With real-time notifications, you can manage visitor entries with ease. VizCheck ensures that you stay informed and in control, enhancing security and efficiency. Print visitor badges instantly, complete with all necessary details. VizCheck identifies and alerts security about blacklisted or suspicious visitors, enhancing security with immediate action capabilities. Our system ensures that every visitor is easily identifiable. With instant badge printing and security alerts, VizCheck enhances your facility's safety and efficiency. Track visitor movements in real time across your premises. Gain insights through detailed visitor analytics, improving operational efficiency and security. VizCheck provides a comprehensive view of visitor activities, helping you optimize operations. Our analytics offer valuable insights, enhancing both security and efficiency. Facilitate digital signing of NDAs or legal agreements during check-ins. VizCheck ensures compliance and security, streamlining legal processes effortlessly. Our system simplifies compliance, allowing for digital agreements during check-ins. VizCheck maintains security and compliance, ensuring a seamless visitor experience. Receive instant alerts and manage visitor evacuations with ease. Monitor activities across multiple locations, ensuring safety and control with role-based access. VizCheck provides centralized control for multi-location management. Our system ensures safety and efficiency, offering role-based access for tailored security. Add custom branding to kiosks and badges, enhancing your visitor experience. Integrate seamlessly with existing systems, ensuring smooth operations with VizCheck. Manage visitors on the go with the VizCheck mobile app. Customize your operations and integrate effortlessly, ensuring a seamless visitor management experience. In summary, VizCheck offers pre-registration, real-time notifications, badge printing, analytics, compliance, and more. Our system is designed to enhance security and efficiency across your operations. By adopting VizCheck, you'll transform your visitor management, ensuring a seamless, secure experience. Our system enhances control, efficiency, and security, making it an essential tool for your operations. Ready to transform your gate management? Visit https://www.vizcheck.com today to learn more or request a demo. VizCheck, smarter, secure, efficient. Join us in revolutionizing visitor management. Experience the future of security and efficiency with VizCheck. Take the first step towards seamless operations today.